roar. We shall unite in the ancient lands of Lemuria, for it is from here our ancestors had returned once more. However, this time, our ships did not attempt to land on the soils of the earth, for this mission did not include a return ticket. Instead, we ditched our beloved starcraft into the waters as a display of our commitment to this earth and her inhabitants, as we were to remain on this planet, abandoned forever as the new teachers for an ever-evolving humanity. As these advanced fifth-dimensional instruments of space-time transversion operate as an extension of one's own conscious embodiment, futuristic technological marvels disregarded as ancient relics, disposed of offshore, now to remain lost in the deep, dark, fluidic depths of the Pacific oceanic void. For this time we have come to stay. These ships, known to the Lemurians as light canoes, a name given to the coveted Silver Fleet, resulting from the ship's bright plasma barrier which forms around the exterior of each of the crafts. For this isn't the airframe of the ship itself, rather a byproduct of the vessel entering Earth's atmosphere, in combination with the craft's zero-point power source, superheating and ionizing our planetary gases and molecules, a direct result derived from any sort of immensely powerful energy source. Yet light too is emitted during space-time jumping, similar to an Einstein-Rosen bridge, compressing the universal fabric of dimensional space-time itself, as the light exuded from the craft contains the shimmering essence of a miniature star in its glow of divine illumination. As these highly energetic quantum particles are compressed together in the hundreds of trillions, such pressure generates an incredible amount of heat, condensing quantum particles into fluid energetic waveforms. These waves form ripples within the celestial field, as the craft glides through the universal medium like a surfer, etching surface tension as they emerge into the belly of a monster barrel. Yet rather than being pushed into kinetic motion similar to a wave, the star vessel is actually more so pulled, as if to forever remain tumbling downward. A similar effect on Earth would be the resulting force of what we know as gravity, yet of course these craft, like all celestial bodies, are consciously manipulating gravity. However, it goes beyond a mere field of mass. In reality, it's a quantum metaphysical field of attraction. It's at its core, pure conscious awareness, not simple physical, as we accord gravitational force purely as a means or essence of mass. As this pulling force is a gravitational warp in which the starcraft flows, believing it is forever falling downwards or upwards or left, right, diagonal. After all, space is a non-local reality, meaning there is no sense of any true up nor down when sailing throughout the vast embrace of the void. For gravity is not, cannot, and must not be considered nor understood as the only singular esoteric medium of the field as we know it. Instead, gravity is merely an independent variable within a much larger, vastly more complex universal equation, falling from the pure truths of the ancient times of which we still call astrology today, encoded within higher dimensional metaphysical understandings into the holographic template which constructs the universal time matrix, making up the entirety of the non-tangible, invisible material substance of reality. We, as humans, cannot see, hear, touch, taste, nor even comprehend such intellectual undertakings, as we the people have enough problems to solve here on the home front. And doing so would seem to require a quantum leap into the mathematical physical composition of something humanity doesn't even know exists. And why does it not exist, you may ask? Because humanity has yet to even comprehend posing the understandings which for most must form said question. For do you recall the prophecy I stated before it all? We shall commune underneath the night sky, raining down with celestial metals, Perseid meteor shower. Perhaps familiar.